Welcome back to the second part at a little river scene at the location of Benedictine Abbey in Tyniec.
And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life.
Having had a stressful day yesterday with the diesel spillage and then having to reset the sat-nav, we're making our way across the river to take a walk around the Abbey. It's really hot, so we won't be walking far today, and I think you need to book a guided tour to get inside this working Abbey. So we'll just take a look around the outside.
Very peaceful river indeed. It just $4 a lot is for an adult, so it's £1, nothing. Obviously we want to return. But we think we booked a return ticket, but we didn't get a ticket. I think he might be recognising us by hopefully eyesight. He's probably only had 2 bumbling idiots today anyway. I'm sure he recognises. Worst case, there's a bridge. So it's probably about a kilometre round trip if we have to walk up to the road bridge.
Perched high on a limestone hill above the Vistula River, the Abbey is the oldest existing monastery in Poland.
It's got really humid now.
And it was founded around 1044.
It's an active monastery, so we're not quite sure what you can get into and what you can't.
Its walls have witnessed nearly 1,000 years of Polish history. The courtyard has a sense of calm and tradition, surrounded by buildings that have been rebuilt and restored throughout the centuries of turmoil and renewal. The Abbey's fortified walls recall times when it served as a stronghold, notably during the Bar Confederation in the 18th century, when rebels defended themselves here against Russian forces.
Guided tours are available if you want to discover more detailed historical facts about the Abbey.
From the hilltop, the view of the river is breathtaking.
Well, he looks like he's enjoying himself.
Harry is on prime position, looking back up at us. Today the monks who live here are known for their natural products, honey, herbal tinctures and more, and all available in the monastery shop. The Abbey also very much welcomes visitors, not only for spiritual reflection but also for rest and refreshment. The cafe and the guest house offer a unique opportunity to experience Benedictine hospitality within historic walls.
It's hot and there are a couple of bars down by the river. Hopefully one of them will serve me a nice cold beer.
So we've retreated down to the pub by the river because it's so hot.
Meanwhile, I enjoy my coffee as we sit back in the heat of the day.
Cheers. Second beer of the trip, me. I haven't had the opportunity really. I've just ordered a waffle with God knows what on, ice cream or something. She's going to call number 241 in Polish. We have no idea what she said, and we have no idea of yeah, but even if we heard it, we're not going to understand it. Fortunately, the girl spoke a bit of English, which was helpful. No. Oh God. Oh, this is the old days. Can you pass me a beer? I can't get up. Cheers.
A local dish of fresh fruit, ice cream, all served on a sponge bake certainly gets my vote.
Would you like to try some?
No, I'll just have a piece of the waffle.
Back to Harry to find some shade and also to think about an evening meal.
I'm trying my best to look after Harry on this trip. And it's also a great opportunity to get the chairs out. A bit of Krakow planning, but not too much to be honest.
You reckon it's 20 minutes, as in 20 minutes on the tram or 20 minutes walking? Yeah, St Mary's Basilica. Be interesting to see what the distance is between that and that tram station, I said.
Looks like our neighbours have a car. I guess it could be a visitor, mind you.
Temperature's dropped a bit, there's a bit of a breeze coming down, certainly this side. I think there's more of a breeze this side than that side.
Yeah, there was a breeze the other side.
It's cool now though.
Some new temporary neighbours with a houseboat, and we're guessing that they've come down from Krakow.
Right, tonight's tea is we've got some potatoes that we've bought that are, I think they must be part cooked by the looks of it. So nice and simple because they're just 6 to 8 minutes in a pan. Sweet corn, and then we've got these sausages, which take, how long do these sausages take, Jane?
It doesn't say. I couldn't say anything on it.
Which will be cooked in a few minutes. I guess they don't take that long.
And with a wave to our houseboat friends, they're off.
Turning right against you.
Oh, he had to go that way, didn't he? Had to turn it round.
Bring those to the boil for 3 minutes. Potatoes are just cooking, warming through. I think they're already pre-cooked by the looks of it. They cooked alright. It's a bit of a guesswork.
Really lovely.
And quite tasty though as well.
It's nice. It's quite a few buns.
We could get, I saw them being served in the gas station where I got covered in diesel.
Yeah.
There was a girl in front of me ordered. They do these sort of things like hot dogs, and they put them in like a circular that's like almost got a cutout. It's like they're there, yeah.
So
oh, really nice.
Got a hole in them.
I could definitely have that. See if we can get hold of some of them.
The day soon becomes night, and with the silhouette of the far bank, we're soon asleep.
Daytime comes too soon. The only thing we saw was the neighbour's guest we now realise was departing, I guess, for home.
We find that rivers first thing in the morning have a very calming serenity.
So it's about 26 degrees. It's only about 8 o'clock at the moment. And the one side of the van on the riverside is directly in the sun, so one of the advantages of having the two doors, I have to say, is that if you open the opposite door, this is on the shady side, it creates a bit of a wind tunnel. Really makes a huge difference. You can see by the cloth, you can see by the cloth just wafting in the breeze. And there's the Abbey on the sunny side of the street. Just have a bit of breakfast. We're going to have a walk down the river, just there's a nice photo shot of the angle of the Abbey before we go. I'll say it's 26 at the moment. It's going to be 30 today, and 30 for the next few days, and I think when we go to Krakow I've seen 31, which is hot enough for us. So we're heading to what we was trying to do yesterday was get down to the sort of ski resort area in the Carpathian Mountains, to Zakopane, I want to say, and we hope to go on the funicular railway, which isn't a lot of money at all, like most things in Poland, I have to say. It's obviously down to the cost of living here. They actually do you probably see them in Switzerland. I think there's a bigger ride where there's like a concrete runway that you follow down in a little go-kart trolley type thing. So we might go on that, I don't know, but again, that was just, cost per run was, it was certainly less than £10. I think it was less than £5 actually.
Well, it was, yeah, but you can buy, like they do, multiple, 1 or 10 goes.
But even so, you wouldn't have got that elsewhere for £4. So it's cost-wise, it's nothing. Really hot last night, but it was really nice. Yeah. There's probably about 3 vans immediately here, but there's a van further down because you can go down the tracks. I think there might be one the other way. So it's a great little site. You can actually stop on the other side of the river, and there's 2 bars on that side. So if you want to go out for a meal or a drink, then you're more than better on that side, because obviously the ferry stops. I don't know what time he stopped. It must have been about 7 o'clock, I think.
Yeah, that's it. Fresh water in this small dispenser we find really useful, much better than a bottle or the tap. A short walk along the riverbank before the day gets too hot, and also to get a different view of the Abbey.
I've seen pictures of where there's like a coffee van. Might have been the height of summer perhaps. I don't think we're doing much walking today. Looks like fishermen have slept overnight. Should have come out last night really. Got the sun in the wrong direction for the photographs, but never mind.
It's time for us to move on, as we have another exciting destination lined up, which raises the bar even higher with its views. So don't miss our next episode. And please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. It's free and it means we're just in your favourite watch list as a reminder. We're also on social media if you would like to support us further. We have a Buy Me a Coffee link in the description.